Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Creative Card Carousel and add it to your website. Let's get started. The Creative Card Carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Once you've copied the widget's code, head to your website editor. Many website building platforms allow you to add custom code to your website. On some platforms, you can use the text editor to add a code in the text area, where you can simply paste the widget code you've copied before. In others, you can view and edit the page HTML code source and add the widget's code there. Some platforms also have a designated custom HTML element, which you can add to the page and use to add the widget code that you've copied to your website. Now, the Creative Card Carousel will show on your website.